guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, see, last time we have seen one error which was means uh, already there are lots of solution for that error, but because of why that error was coming, that already I told you guys, that is uh, post could not, sorry, request could not found, like that error it was, guys. Okay, so one more error is there, guys. For that also I got comments like they have tried my solution, then also that error is not solving. Okay, so I have told already what will be the what we can see, what will be the reason because of that error is coming. First thing is, see, first I'll tell the error. The error is 404 not found error. Okay, in Postman it will come, guys, that is 404 not found error. So why it will come? First thing is, suppose if your route, whatever the route you are giving here, root file, if it is wrong, that time it will come, that is 404 not found error. And suppose, see, if anything is missing your in your backend code, for example giving this name, okay, giving this name, or means anything, this, if here is correct and in database, sorry, in your backend code, whatever control you are writing in there, if you are taking any wrong, for example, instead of receipt, if you are taking receipt one, okay, or double time t, then also that error can come, guys. Okay, see, one I'll show you guys here. If I, it is id, okay, I have written only I, so we'll see what will come. According to me it will be 404 not found, because the path it is not founding, so it will give error. So we'll check, guys. It will take time, guys, to load, to search and all. Okay, you can see, guys, it is error, that is 404 not found. Okay, I'll make this correct. Now here what I will do, here I'll do receipt one. Okay, now we'll see what will come. It is sending request, guys. Okay, here it came correct. Fine. Okay, but here also, if it is wrong, it will give error. I don't know. Okay, once again we'll try, guys. Oh, I don't know. It will give error actually. Okay, here I'll take and we'll see. See, guys, it is giving error. It is fine. Amount is not required. Amount is required. Sorry. See here, guys. Here it is giving error. It is 500 in terms of error, but here I don't know why it is, because there also it will give error, guys. One receipt underscore 123. Let me check. Okay, we'll check, guys, our backend code as well. Mm, it is R. Where is R, guys? I can't see here yet. L Q R. Okay, somewhere here it is. Okay, we'll check, guys. Okay, so this is open. So now we'll go in our controller, login controller. Okay, we'll check first path and all. So the path is, okay, I'll copy this. See, guys, if you want to check any path and all, just copy that. Go in api.php, just control F, make it find. So it is in master bus book pay controller. So I have to go there, master bus book pay controller, where it is, master, uh, okay, here master book pay controller. Fine. See here, see guys, here receipt is receipt, amount is amount, currency, right? But for receipt it is not giving any error. I don't know why. See, error, I will remove this. You have seen guys, for amount it gave error, right? See here guys, receipt and amount. If I change here something, and if I keep here correct, we'll check. Okay, fine, only for receipt it will work guys. You can see guys, if I change an amount, okay, let me check now. See guys, you will get error. Okay, I'm not getting why it is working for receipt. If you know guys, then guys please comment it, because according to me it should not work actually. So if you know for this, you can guys comment. Okay, even I will search. If I get, I'll tell you that guys that. Okay, fine guys. So you can see guys, if anything is wrong here or in your backend code, that time also you will get that this error is different guys. Okay, it is 500 enters of error. For 4 not for your, you have seen guys, if anything is wrong here, you will get 4 not for. Now everything is correct, so it will tell 200. Okay, okay. One more thing guys, see if I take here some space. Okay, sorry. So by mistakenly what will happen, sometime space will come guys here. Okay, see guys, it is not that much visible also. And if you do like this, you can see guys, it is showing for not found error. So for that also you will get error guys. Okay, so one thing is here, your path here, and here also path in API, here also path. Okay, for that you will get for not found. So guys, please check this, whether you are done that on and what. And guys, if you know about this, why for accept only it is working, then guys please comment me. And guys, if you're liking my videos, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.